The story of Baby Shark. On the sunny shores of a sea, Baby Shark lived, the youngest and most cheerful member of her family. Her big eyes and smile captivated everyone. Her greatest dream was to become the ocean's best singer. Baby Shark said to her mother, "Mom, I will sing across the entire sea so everyone knows that sharks can spread love too." Smiling, Mother Shark advised her to listen to her heart and always help others. Baby Shark went to the depths of the sea and sang, "Baby Shark, do 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 do." But her loud voice startled the fish, causing them to flee. Baby Shark felt regret and fell into deep thought. Just then, she met Daddy Turtle, the ocean's oldest singer. He explained to Baby Shark that she should sing from her heart and with others, so her voice would resonate far and wide. Baby Shark invited fish, shrimp, and other friends to join her. Together, they sang, "Baby Shark, do 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 do, Mom Shark, do 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 do." Their voices spread throughout the sea, and everyone began dancing with joy. One day, a storm hit the sea, putting Baby Shark's friends in danger. Baby Shark used her voice as a guide and decided she would save them all. Without wasting time, Baby Shark led her friends to safety with her voice. Her bravery saved everyone, and she became known as the ocean's singing savior. Now every morning, as the sun shines over the sea, Baby Shark sings with her friends. Her voice echoes from the ocean's depths to the sky, and her story teaches the lesson of unity and love.